is the original capacitor, and it used to be attached to these two wires right here by this part right here. So this butt connector is kind of like a stapler, so it's basically stapling these two wires together. So what I did was I used the pliers to cut this part of the wire and then just removed it from its original place. So originally it used to sit right back here, and these two wires, this gray one and this white one, would be attached to it. Here's the new one, and what you want to do is if you don't have a crimper, what I did to strip the end was using this tool. This area you can slowly strip or rip the plastic. So what I did was I slowly ripped the plastic part and then I stripped it with this part. It's a pretty rough cut, but it gets the job done. So we have removed both ends. Now the wires are exposed, and I also did the same thing for the new capacitor. The next step is connecting these wires. And how you want to do that is really simple. Use the same plier, and what we want to do is basically twist these two wires together. And here is what it looks like when you twist the two ends together with the plier. Now we have a new attachment. Try your best to get a clean twist so you don't have any flyaways. Scissors come extra long. And make sure it's a little tight so it won't fall off. And here we have it. This is for safety measure. We want to keep the wires inside. So this is probably the cheapest and probably the easier way to do it if you don't have any butt connector. Alright, so now we can attach this back onto the main part so it won't move everywhere when we're using the fan. This part. Alright guys, we did it! We fixed the fan! We fixed the fan with limited supply, so if I can do this at home, you can too. In China, this capacitor only costs like 1 RMB, so that is not even $1. So awesome! The fan works now.